what went wrong for Robinhood?
Hey, good morning, Brian. I'm not sure anything necessarily went wrong. I mean, the third quarter is always a very quiet quarter, from a trading perspective, and we're coming off of what was a historic first half of activity. You had numerous viral events with GameStop and a number of the meme coins in crypto land, and so I think the reality was that wasn't a sustainable or normal level of activity. I think most of us realized that. I would say their trading results were right on top of our model, so it wasn't surprising at all in terms of what they reported in the third quarter. I think what the market is focused on, what we were getting investor questions on last night, is why is the fourth quarter going to be the same as the third quarter? We're seeing data from firms like Schwab on the trading side where equity trading is trending roughly flat with the third quarter. And then on the crypto side, if you look at Coinbase volumes as one proxy, they're tracking up 40% quarter to date. So I think the question is the fourth quarter guidance, the company's attempt just to get people reined in a little bit because, there were some people that were way outside of their kind of expectations in the third quarter, or is there something else going on where their customer cohort's slowing a bit more than others? I think that's the key question. The third quarter, not too concerned about, more about what does the outlook imply? And management did say they're being, quote unquote, appropriately conservative. So the question is just, there's not a lot of visibility 2 months out. There's a lot of uncertainty. So are they just being very conservative, or do they really expect a much slower fourth quarter?
Well, answer some of your own questions. I mean, they kind of created their own market, right? The gamification of stocks. They had emojis or whatever they had, confetti, free trading. They made it kind of like a video game. But others, to their credit, they built kind of a new market. Others saw that, have come in, also offered free trading. Do those customers that left Robinhood, maybe to try out some others, do they come back? That's the question.
Yeah, I think ultimately, it comes down to what does the company build here? And, the answer to the question directly, let me give you a couple of statistics. So, they obviously are known for trading, and that's driving the majority of their revenues. They're branching into numerous new products that I think could be very compelling in terms of revenue opportunity. One example, cash management. 25% of their customers, 5.5 million people, are already using their cash management product that they recently rolled out. So they're seeing really nice traction there. They were on 12 IPOs as an IPO agent in their new IPO access business, which I think is very differentiated. And by the way, it's not only millennials that want access to IPOs, it's high net worth people, it's folks that don't have access to their traditional brokerages, and they're seeing real momentum in that business. And we're just a few months in, and they've had 12 IPOs on the platform with really nice success there. They're building out over time access to retirement accounts. They're building out a number of new products on the crypto side, particularly as they roll out their wallet functionality in the coming months. So, I think if you look at Robinhood and think that it's just about trading and it's just a trading app, which obviously to this day is where they've had their success, then I don't think this is the stock for you. If you do think that they can leverage 22.5 million customers, a tremendous balance sheet, that's where to do M&A, grow organically, I think that's where you're going to get excited. And they're starting to see some traction in some of these products. It just doesn't happen in one quarter. Didn't happen in the third quarter overnight, but you are seeing the momentum, in our opinion, building into next year for that.